Get it. Now the big one's got it. Not bad. Not as big as I thought. Maybe there's a bigger one in there. I don't know. All right. Well, you want to walk to a new spot? All right. Well, let's sneak up nice and slow. Start from right here at this corner. And let's see where the good spots look like. That's a good one. Better walk down to him. Oh, dude. All right, we'll turn him loose. Off he goes. Good job, bud. All right. I thought there might be some there. Oh.
I guess that would count.
You see that root, that log right there in the middle?
Yeah.
All right, so you see how fast the current is on both sides of it?
Mm-hmm.
Right in the middle, you can see how the bubbles are going back upstream here. You can see how the bubbles are going back upstream. That means there's slow water right there behind it. It's not a big spot, but there's slow water there. There could be one there. Yep, now try the same thing, but a little farther to the left to get it a little bit closer to that log. Good. Let me toss my Ned rig in there. See if there's one home. He might be. I got you. There we go. See where the current meets the slow water? Yeah, and a little to the left of that is where I was talking about, but that's a good cast too. Oh, look at there. Pretty good one. Better bring him this way.
Oh man, he's bigger than I thought. Woo-wee. Should we take a picture of him?
Yeah, hang on. Nice, bud. He went back up, didn't he? Hey.
Way to go.
He bit it right on the other side of that log, didn't he? Ooh, there's two of them chasing it. Yes. All right, let me see if I can get him. Oh! Nice. Here.
Oh shoot.
I got you. It's okay. It's okay.
I want to let him go.
All right. Well, I meant closer to the root ball, but if I throw mine in next to it, it'll get snagged. Well, where I wanted you to cast was like this line right here. But if I'm afraid it'll snag me up because I see some brush hanging back behind it. Yeah. Yeah. They're all the same size though. Little.
At least they're fish though.
Yep. Let me pitch in there and see if there's one laying there by it. You want to switch?
No. I just haven't been catching much fish.
It might not be a bad idea to switch. They seem to want it.
Yeah, I want to switch.
After I caught that second one, you're ready to switch, huh?
Yes.
All right. Let me tie you on a leader and get you all set up. You know I've walked up here carrying you on a backpack, right? Yeah. Now's the tricky part where we have to cross. Oh no. Oh, did he get it? Oh, dude. That is a big fish. That is a real big fish. I don't know. It's okay. It's okay. Try again. And if he doesn't bite it again, we'll remember to fish this spot on the way back down. He'll forget about it by then. It's all right. Remember to let him eat it. Let me see your frog. Make sure nothing wrong with your frog. Hey, hey, hey. Don't get mad. Will, look at me. It's not your fault. You didn't do anything wrong. Sometimes they just don't get it. But now we know where a big one lives. And if we don't catch him now, we're going to try on the way back down. And if we don't catch him then we'll try him the next time we come up. You know what I mean? They're just not getting it. That's so weird. At least they're hitting it again.
Dang it, that's
Don't, hey, don't get mad. Sometimes when you miss, if you throw it way downstream, just go ahead and fish it out because you never know. There might be another one there. You don't have to be in a hurry. The longer you give that fish to set back up, the more he'll forget about it. Perfect. Dude, that was a good one. He was real pretty and dark. Just seeing. If we don't get him here, then we'll move on upstream and then come back and do it later. Good shot. Every time it hits there, he's eating it. All right, well, that was perfect, and you didn't get a bite. So let's move on up, and then we'll hit this spot on the way down. Sometimes that's what you got to do. You got here, give me your rod, and then I'll hold your hand. You got to give them a minute to forget about it. Oh, yeah. All right, let me get you a Ned rig. Walk forward a little. The closer you are to your lure, the easier it'll be to set the hook on them. Fish or snag? That's a fish. Oh, dude. Might want to back him up. Go easy. You got a light line. I don't think I adjusted your drag. Just back him up. Nice and easy. Ski him in, keep his head up. There you go. That is officially our big fish of the day.
My finger was between your hand and his thumb.
That's a good one.
Mm-hmm.
His gill's a little messed up. Something got a hold of him.
Yep.
All right. Look how his tail's bloody. That's from spawning.
Let me get him back.
Let me see him one more time. Nice one, buddy.
Mm-hmm.
That's a beat up fish. There you go. Good one.
How big he was. That felt like a snag.
Felt like a snag at first?
When he bit it, I set the hook and it felt still hard on my, like where I set the hook against, like on my kind of my lower stomach.
Yeah, I bet.
Yeah.
Good job, buddy.
Thanks.
Pretty out here, isn't it?
Mhm. I just hope that one that we were trying to catch on the log over there is just even bigger.
Yeah. Just keep moving. Balled you up. Let me see. Nice. Dong. Oh. Let me see. Ooh. Will, there's a big fish and he's right on that knob right there. See if you can throw across there. I can see him. I can see him. Hang on. That's not the big one. Go, do it. Yes.
Come on.
He turned on it. Was that him?
Yes, that was him. Can you please fix my phone?
Yes. I don't see where he went. All right, let's ease down a little. That was a good one.
Alright, there's my big.
Yep, that's your log. We're gonna want to get a little closer.
Oh, yes.
Stay on him, stay on him. All right, easy. He's not bad.
Is that him?
I don't know. It's a pretty fish. Good job. Can you hold this for me for a minute? I don't think that was the big one. There's one in there that bit earlier that was pretty big. All right, let me shoot this jig in there. Oh, broke off.
Is that him?
Yeah, that was a good one. I don't know if it was him or not. Way to go, goofball. All right, you ready? Call it?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. You can swim back if you want.
No.
No? There you go. Good fishing, buddy.
Thanks. Thanks for watching, everyone. We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. See you next time.